Jessem wood saber marking gauge. Okay, this thing is really cool. I love this. See these little bumps? They're all marked in 1/2 inch increments. This is a set screw that locks the blade in place. You move it out in 1/2 inch increments. So there's a 1/2 inch. There's 0. So let's 0 this. Okay, that's 0, and the 0 is on the 0. The blade is exactly flush with the front. I want it out 3/8 of an inch. So I turn this in, 1/8, 1/4, and 3/8. That's exactly 3/8 there. 0, 0, and 3/8. Lock it down here. That is locked in place. Look at the area of this face. That is your registration surface. So, put it up against your board. Now look at how much registration I've got. It's beautiful. And look how beefy this thing is in your hand. For someone like me with tremors, this is brilliant. And I just roll that across. Just roll that across. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a line etched in the scribed. There is a line scribed into the wood right around there. This marking gauge, it is perfect. So simple to use. Such a massive registration area. So good and solid in your hand. And this thing is bulletproof. I absolutely love it.